Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Moyu AoYan Skewb. My main for Skewb for a very long time at this point has been the X-Men Wingy Skewb, which is very good, but hopefully this Skewb might be even better. So like in the box we have this accessories box, as well as the cube of course. That's it for the box. Oh, let's just quickly look at and see what's inside this accessories box. Inside the box was this screwdriver, pretty standard. These 6 replacement centerpieces for each side. These actually have a little concave dip in them to help with grip. Inside was also these replacement magnets, the pamphlet of course, an assembly guide for the box that it came in, my Team Moyu card, and the business card. So it looks like this Skewb actually comes in the same exact box that the GTS 3 came in. That was a lot harder than I expected, but here's the Skewb. Let's just get into first turns. So out of the box, it is pretty slow. The magnets actually make a pretty loud click when they click into place. But overall, it is pretty smooth. I haven't really practiced Skewb much in a while, so my turning isn't that good. The Skewb is definitely very dry out of the box, not much factory lube in it. Here's the stand, it goes on just like this. Pretty cool. Not much to say about this Skewb. It is pretty good. There's a lot of potential for it once I set it up. Yeah, hopefully I could break this in with some solves and set it up, and it could even be my main. I guess we'll see. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.